Hey, what's going on? So today I'm going to try to get a Feeble stall down. I don't know why I haven't been trying to do it. I got the axle stall down, so theoretically it should be easy, but we'll see. Man, I thought this was going to be easier than it is. I just want to get comfortable getting that back truck up on the coping. Once I feel that comfort, I'll start working on turning and rolling back in. Man, my trucks keep pushing around on the coping. It's like I'm coming and it's like sliding around. So I'm just trying to reset. I want to have that one motion: in, lock, out. Keep going. Alright, so those last ones felt really good. I'm focusing on just keeping the weight on my back foot, and that's helping me from pushing around on the coping. Keep going. I tried to grind it. I don't have enough width on this ramp to grind, at least not at my skill level. Let's see. Alright, the battery's about to die in that camera, so that's it for tonight, but I feel like I'm getting it. What's making the difference is keeping that weight on my back foot, keeping my body weight in the ramp. And that's making it easy to come back in and actually, I can start to feel how coming in fakie would work. I'm not there yet, but yeah, we'll get there.